Hi there, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be announcing the winner of this really cute little ink and watercolor sketch. This was a location in Palm Beach, Florida. So I did mat it, and my signature is here at the bottom, and I also did put Palm Beach, Florida, and I signed it, and I put the date on the back of the artwork. So I'll put it in a nice little plastic sleeve and get this mailed out to, let's see, the winner is Julie Ferguson. Congratulations, Julie. I'm going to contact you, get your address, and I'm going to get this mailed out to you as soon as possible. I want to thank everybody that entered, and I'm going to be doing another one in probably a couple weeks. So look forward to seeing this in the mail, Julie. Thank you again for entering, and thank everybody. I thank everybody for your support. So bye for now.